are going. तुम ना ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. ये क्या चल रहा है? ओके.
ठंड देवानंद बात करने लगी.
वो अच्छा.
मैडम नाम का कोई चीज़ नहीं है. पढ़ाई नहीं करना. 4 दिन बाद एग्ज़ाम है फाइनल. लटके तो चल जाएंगे. लेकिन नहीं, वीडियो को तो ब्लॉग बनाना है.
ये बेशर्मी भी अलग तरीके की है भाई.
देखो
नहीं
सब ब्लॉग में डालेगी ये. हम डिलीट कर देंगे वीडियो.
ये बेशर्मी अलग ही लेवल की है. इतना नहीं.
चलो चलो. हेलो. konnichiwa.
What masters are you taking at?
Economics master. Yeah. It's new batch, no? We are first year.
Oh, it's masters, huh?
We are first batch.
Of masters.
Yeah. No, of economics. Our sub. Yeah. No, masters
Yeah,
in
means you don't offer bachelor's degree.
we are doing masters in economics. Yeah, and economics is first batch we are.
Also on scholarship. You're also on scholarship.
No. I'm Indian and that's we pay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but just last night there were some foreign students. Hi.
Hello. Hello. Your name?
Sean, I'm Sean from the Philippines. This is my good friend. Yeah, Suzuki.
Nice to
Pleasure is mine. Are you?
No,
Are you
I will
pressed?
upload on my YouTube blog. Yeah.
You know those paintings?
Yeah.
Those could sell for about pretty expensive. So, for example, this
Oh.
those two ones are really expensive. But this, for example, this size, not this painting, like this size, sells about $3,500 US.
Nice.
For example, that little one, that little painting over there, the little one, that's a medium size, the little one there.
Yeah.
It sells about 132,000 yen.
Oh, nice.
So it's quite expensive, but it's
And that
worthwhile.
and that
Oh no, that's not. That's his like so that the paint
it's
would
like
spill over.
map
It's
map.
map, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Look.
こんな2回も見られるなんて贅沢な回だ。
Let me take videos.
This painting is yesterday's village kids workshop. So this is a result. So yeah, please anytime you can see to come to see enjoy. And actually, unfortunately, I bring not so big canvas. So if you cannot see well, feel free to come up to see close anytime. So feel free. Okay? So okay, can I start? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
This music is original one. My Japanese or some world my friend musicians perform with me. I was recorded. So yeah, I hope you also enjoy our music also. Thank you. Let me start.
Yeah.